Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Minas Fatima from Government Nizamia Tibbi College. Today we had a presentation on complications of diabetes, which we focused that it is very important to have diabetes in control. Basically, diabetes is a condition where we have either the cell does not produce enough insulin, or else even if the cell is able to produce enough insulin, the normal cells cannot accept the insulin. They does not show up the receptors. So because of which the body gets into a state of hyperglycemia, and this hyperglycemia further leads to more complication. If we have an uncontrolled diabetes, this complication might lead to peripheral neuropathy, we have retinopathy, we have nephropathy. Along with that, a patient might develop into cardiovascular failures, and patient might also have things like foot ulcers and everything. And this foot ulcer, if it does not get treated, might lead to gangrene and further amputation. And one of the good things that I have seen in this hospital and working at Government Nizamia Tibbi College is that we are able to manage diabetic foot ulcers. Along with that, even the complications that occurs because of diabetes, like patient might have neuropathy, that was also being managed here in Government Nizamia Tibbi College. So that was about it. But one thing that I need to tell you all before I leave is that prevention is better than cure. So it is important that you keep your diabetes in check, go for regular monitoring of your retina. Even your drugs, even your drug chart should be maintained properly. Take proper medications, and so all that might help you with not getting into a state of complications. And there's another thing that on 14th of November each year we celebrate World Diabetes Day. So please stay tuned to that. Thank you so much.
Professor Mohammad Hassan Farooqi, PG Department of Mauliat, Government Nizamia Tibbi College. आपके सामने आज यहाँ पर हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में एक कॉम्प्लिकेशन ऑफ डायबिटीज़ के तौर पे एक प्रेजेंटेशन डॉक्टर महनाज की तरफ से किया गया है। मतलब कि डायबिटीज़ में जो कॉम्प्लिकेशन होते हैं उसको देखते हुए डायबिटीज़ को कंट्रोल करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और विथ यूनानी मेडिसिन के साथ इंशाल्लाह हम ना सिर्फ डायबिटीज़ बल्कि डायबिटीज़ के कॉम्प्लिकेशन को भी कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। और आज बहुत ही इन्फॉर्मेटिव लेक्चर हुआ है डिपार्टमेंट में, और ऐसे लेक्चर्स हमारे पास सीरीज़ ऑफ लेक्चर्स चल रहे हैं, इंशाल्लाह अपडेट करते रहेंगे और ताकि अवाम नास को उसका फ़ायदा पहुँच सके।